Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the problems in our exercise 1.4. Okay, sixth problem, simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. So here total 4 problems are there in our sixth problem. We'll see today that problems. So first one, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. This is the problem. So we have to rationalize the denominator. Okay. So first here, if in the denominator there is plus, the rationalizing factor will become minus. That means between two terms. So here 6 plus 4 root 2 is there, no? So rationalizing factor is equal to 6 minus 4 root 2. Okay. Now we have to do rationalization. So 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Both numerator and denominator we have to multiply with this rationalizing factor. Okay. So into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. So after multiplication we will get 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. So if you see, these terms are both are same. These both are same. So a into a means when bases are equal, the powers will be added. Then a square, no? So in the same way, 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 also 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square. So denominator 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. So numerator is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square is the formula. And denominator a plus b into a minus b. Denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That formula a square minus b square. So now we'll just simplify this. So 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square. A minus b whole square means a square. So in the place of a 6 is there and in the place of b 4 root 2 is there. We'll substitute that. 6 square minus 2. 6 means a means 6. B 4 root 2 plus b square 4 root 2 whole square by denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So in the place of a 6, in the place of b 4 root 2 whole square. So a square minus b square. So now the main point here you have to remember is this 4 root 2 whole square. 4 root 2 whole square means 4 square into root 2 whole square. Okay. Square comes to both numbers. Okay. Usually the students will do 4 root 2 whole square means this square and root get cancelled. 4 into 2 8. No, this is wrong. Okay. So 4 root 2 whole square means 4 square into root 2 square. Now square and root will get cancelled. 4 square 16. 16 into 2 32. Okay. So 4 root 2 whole square means that value 32. Now we'll substitute 6 square 36 minus 2 6 are 12. 12 4s are 48 root 2 plus what's the value of 4 root 2 whole square? 32. We'll substitute. Okay. Next 6 square 36. Again 4 root 2 whole square 32. So now this 36 plus 32, how much? It is 68 minus 48 root 2 by 36 minus 32, 4. Okay, so in the denominator 4 is there. We have to check whether this 4 will comes in the numerator also. If we take 4 as common, 17 4s are and 12 4s are 48, right? So 4 into 17 minus 12 root 2 by 4. Now this 4 and 4 will get cancelled. Finally it is 17 minus 12 root 2. 17 minus 12 root 2. This is the answer for this problem. Okay. Next, our second problem. Root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5. So we have to rationalize this. Okay, so first we have to write rationalizing factor of root 7 plus root 5 is equal to root 7 minus root 5. Okay, simply just change the sign of denominator. Terms are same. So after rationalization, root 7 minus root 5, root 7 plus root 5, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with root 7 minus root 5. So now this root 7 minus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5. So now here same. So this is root 7 minus root 5 whole square by root 7 plus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5. Now you see this is in the form of a minus b whole square and this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Okay, in the place of a root 7 and in the place of b root 5 is there. So now we'll write the formulas. A minus b whole square formula what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square. Okay, so just we'll substitute the values in the formulas. So this is root 7 minus root 5 whole square. So a square, that means root 7 square, minus 2 in the place of a, root 7 in the place of b, root 5, plus b square, root 5 whole square, by a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So a means root 7 whole square minus b means root 5 whole square. Okay, so I told you root 7 square root means whole power 1 by 2. Okay, so square root whole square means whole power 1 by 2 whole square. Then this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Okay, that means square root will disappear. So square and square root 2 both will get cancelled wherever it is. I'll cancel this. So I'll write the remaining here 7, 2. So root a into root b, root of a into b. So root 7 into root 5, 7 5 is a 35, 2 root 35 plus 5 by 7 minus 5. So 7 plus 5, first addition we have to do. 7 plus 5, 12 minus 2 root 35 by 2. So here also we can take 2 common, right? So 2 6 and 2 1s, no need of writing 1. So by 2, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So here answer 6 minus square root of 35. Okay, so after rationalizing this, root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5, we got 6 minus root 35. Next, our third problem. Our third one is 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. So here we have to rationalize the denominator. So here in the denominator, between two terms, what is the sign we have? Minus. So what is the rationalizing factor here? 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So that's what we'll write. Rationalizing factor is equal to 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay. Now we will multiply here both numerator and denominator with this rationalizing factor. Okay. So 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So here 1 into this same, 1 into any number is again same number will comes, right? So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. So now the denominator is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So what's the formula for a minus b into a plus b? It is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So in the place of a, 3 root 2 is there, and in the place of b, 2 root 3 is there. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by a square minus b square, denominator value. So in the place of a, 3 root 2 whole square minus in the place of b, 2 root 3 whole square. Okay. So now we will calculate this 3 root 2 whole square. 3 root 2 whole square means this 3 square into root 2 whole square. So 3 square 9. This square root will get cancelled. This is 9 into 2, 18. Okay. And next our second term, 2 root 3 whole square. So this is 2 square into root 3 whole square. Again here square and root will get cancelled. 2 square 4. 4 into 3, 12. 4 3 is a 12. So now we will substitute 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by, what is this 3 root 2 whole square value? This is 18 minus 2 root 3 whole square value 12. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 18 minus 12, how much? 18 minus 12, 6. Okay. So this is the answer. So we cannot do further steps. We cannot simplify further this. So 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 6 is the answer. Okay. Don't cancel 3 1s, 3 2s or 2 1s, 2 3s. Okay. So this is our final answer. So in this sixth problem, now we will see our last one, that is fourth problem. So what is given here for the problem? 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. So we have to rationalize the denominator. So here what is in the denominator? 3 root 3 plus root 2. So what is the rationalizing factor? 3 root 3 plus is here. So we have to put minus. So rationalizing factor is equal to 3 root 3 minus root 2. So now we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with 3 root 3 minus root 2. So 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2. So we multiply both numerator and denominator with rationalizing factor. So now you see here both terms are different, right? So we'll write 3 root 5 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2. So here you see the denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So denominator a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. Now in the place of a 3 root 3, in the place of b root 2, right? So we will substitute the values. So here 3 root 5 with 3 root 5 we have to multiply these two terms, and again with root 7 we have to multiply with these two terms. So 3 root 5 into 3 root 3. Okay, otherwise we'll write one step. 3 root 5 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by, what is a square here? So here a means 3 root 3 minus b square root 2 whole square. Now we will simplify this. Okay. Three root 5 into 3 root 3 minus 3 root 5 into root 2 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus into minus plus root 7 into root 2. Okay, just simple multiplication here we are doing. So in the denominator 3 root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. So 3 root 3 whole square means 3 square into root 3 whole square minus root 2 square means here square and root will get cancelled. This is minus 2. So here the numerator 3 into 3 9, root 5 into root 3 root 15 minus 3 root 5 into root 2 root 10. Just a simple multiplication, both have square root, so square root for the result also, minus here 3 7 3s are 21 plus 7 2s are 14 root 14 by 3 square 9. Here also square root will get cancelled, 9 into 3 minus 2. Okay, so here no similar terms to add, right? No similar terms. So we'll write same 9 root 15 minus 3 root 10 minus 3 root 21 plus root 15 by 9 3s are 27 minus 2. 27 minus 2 25. So same numerator comes the same by 27 minus 2 25 will comes. So this is the answer for this. Okay, I think you understand this problem, students. Please share this video and please like my video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.